So CastingAbout is really a site that allows actors to do lots of research on casting online. Of course, it's online. Hello there. It's Asia Ray, founders. There are more of us. This is it. I can feel it. Hello there. It's Asia Ray, founder of Acting Resource Guru, and I want to invite you to our Acting Resource Guru Leadership Series that's coming up on Thursday. We're going to talk about the future of online casting and marketing. I've invited my friends Blair Hickey and Brian Wold, who are the co-founders of CastingAbout. CastingAbout is one of my favorite resources. It's basically the guide for knowing what's going on in casting in New York and Los Angeles. And they are a breakdown services company. And as you probably know, Breakdown Services is the organization that is responsible for Actors Access, where actors can submit for projects directly. And of course, Breakdown Services is where agents and managers submit for projects for their actor clients. So they're going to be talking about some things that are in development over at Breakdown Services, including a new virtual streaming audition platform called EcoCast Live that may eliminate the need for all of us to always do self-tapes all the time until we can do in-person auditions again. So I was super excited to hear about that. I actually helped the casting director beta test it, and it was really cool. And so we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about what marketing looks like nowadays. Like, does it make sense to send postcards to casting offices when they're not at their physical offices? What can we do instead? What's the deal? So we'll talk about all of this and more, and we'll also be answering your questions. So head on over to argleadership.com. Sign up for the talk. It's happening on Thursday, the 16th at 1 p.m. Pacific, 4 p.m. Eastern, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So I hope to see you there. argleadership.com. Peace out.